Now we're being asked to factor this quadratic expression, and it has an a value. Now what I mean by an a value is this. And a quadratic can be written as ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have an a and a c value, this one being our a value, this one being our c value. Now I'm going to go through this with no shortcuts, no tricks. This is just conceptually how it works. So we are going to have a possible factor section and possible sum. And my possible sum has to be this b value here. So in this case, it's 17x. So when I'm looking at possible factors, I know that a factored form expression is going to have two parentheses. And I see that this is positive and this is positive, which means I'm going to have two positives, which makes my life a little bit easier. And I may get it wrong a couple times, so I'm going to give myself some options. Maybe one day this board will work fully. All right. So something times something is going to be 6. So what are my possibilities for 6? Well, I can multiply 1 and 6 together, but that's probably not the most likely. That does not seem quite right. That does not seem like the most likely outcome. It's probably going to be a 2 and a 3, right? So I'm going to try with a 2 and a 3. And so I'm just going to go 2, 3, and a 2, and a 3, and a 2. I'm going to keep it the same. And I know I'm going to have an x here, because x times x is x squared. So then, what times what is 12? Well, 12 gives me a lot of options. I have 3 times 4, 2 times 6, 1 times 12. I'm going to go with the 3 and the 4 version. And I'm going to switch it, and I'm going to see if it works. So then I'm going to multiply to try and find the middle term. And the middle term is going to be the sum of the outsides, the product of the outsides, and the product of the insides. So 3x times 4 is, oh, I don't know, it's 12x. And 3 times 2x is 6x. So if I add these two things together, I will end up with 18x, and that is not what I'm looking for. So let's try this. 3 times 3 is 9x. 4 times 2x is 8x. Oh, I think we have a winner here. 9x plus 8x is 17x. So this is my answer. 3x, the quantity 3x plus 4 times the quantity 2x plus 3.